Hi, I am Kladi, an award-winning Italian designer based in Manchester, UK, where I run my design practice, Studio Per My Soul. Last year, I wrote and designed an illustrated book called Plant Therapy, which won Vergogne's International Top Design Award. To promote the book, I used the t-shirts with a bold typographic design. Let me show you how I created the t-shirt design. You can use these techniques to create your custom typographical slogan to promote your brand services or products. Click on Create New to open a new document. Set the intention to Art and Illustration, then click on View All Presets to show different sizes. Select A3, name your file T-shirt slogan, and click on Create. Now it's time to create the slogan. Select the Type tool and click and drag to create a text box. Then type your slogan inside the box. A company slogan can help you create awareness for your brand name and promote your service or product. In this case, I'm going to use the name of my book, Plant Therapy, since I'm planning on placing it over a t-shirt to promote my book. Use the shortcut Command A, that's Control A on Windows, to select the entire text. From the Properties panel, under Character Options, select the font. I'm going to use a font named Pica Ultra. If you cannot find this font, click on Find More, and you will be able to browse the wonderful Adobe font library, where you can activate these and many other beautiful fonts without leaving Illustrator. When you select the font of your choice, increase the point size of the text, just like so. With the text box selected, press Option on the Mac, that's Alt on Windows, and drag the type on the side to create a copy next to your artboard. Now that we have created a copy as a backup, we can outline the original using the shortcut Shift-Command-O on Mac, that's Shift-Control-O on Windows. We can use the Pathfinder tool from the Properties panel to unite any overlapping shapes and transform the text in one single graphic element. When done, go to the Object menu, select Path, Offset Path. I will use the offset to create a nice, visible, chunky border around the text. Make sure to click on Preview in order to see the change happening live. Then click on OK to apply the effect. To unite those shapes, let's head under the Pathfinder tool and click on the first icon. Click inside the path to select all the shapes, go to Object menu and select Ungroup. I'm going to select the text inside and use the Fill icon to select this hue to contrast with the black of the offset. And then I'm going to create a copy by pressing Command C on a Mac, that's Control C on a Windows, paste it on the back using the shortcut Command B on Mac, Control B on Windows. By pressing the right pointing arrow, I will shift it slightly to the side. Then pick any color you wish from the Properties panel. Now let's start giving our slogan some depth. Select the black offset path and create a copy. Just like we did before, using the shortcut Command C on Mac, Control C on Windows. Then use the shortcut Command B on Mac, Control B on Windows to paste it to the back. You can move it by using the down pointing arrow and the right pointing arrow on your keyboard. Also, you can hold on the Shift key to increase the move increment. When done, hold Shift and use the Selection tool to select both black paths. Then go to the Object menu, select Blend, and click on Make. To refine the blend between the two shapes, double-click on the Blend tool from the toolbar. Click on Preview, select Specified Steps from the drop-down menu, input the number of steps you wish to use. I will use 50 steps, then click on OK. To access the blend and modify its properties, go to the Object menu, select Expand, then OK. We're going to use the Pathfinder tool to unite all those shapes into a single graphic. We're almost done. Let's bring into the artboard the image provided in this video starter folder, and to do so, we can use the shortcut Shift-Command-P, that's Shift-Control-P on Windows, select the t-shirt file, and click on the paste board to place it. Now click on the artboard and drag the cursor on the slogan to select all the shapes. Press Command-G on Mac, that's Control-G on Windows, to group them. And then hold Option on Mac, that's Alt on Windows, to drag the slogan over the t-shirt while creating a copy. Zoom in and place the slogan exactly in the position you would like to have it printed. This mockup will allow the printer to follow your instructions in a more efficient way. Create another copy of the slogan and place it on the pasteboard. Now select the artboard tool and click on the t-shirt photo and then on the path sitting on the pasteboard. This will create two new artboards of the size of each artwork. Use the shortcut Option Command E on Mac, Alt Control E on Windows to export the files. Select the two artboards you wish to save. The files are now ready to be sent to your printer of choice or uploaded to a website that will allow to print a t-shirt. Now it's time for you to try out these techniques for your slogan. Again, I am Kladi from Per My Soul, and I want to thank you for joining me during this Adobe Illustrator Bootcamp.